Hello everyone, my name is Victor, my Chinese name is Gaoshan. Today I will take you to explore a super cool strawberry factory where the intelligent equipment will amaze you. Come and take a look at it with me. Let's go. Here strawberries grow in the sky, twice as taller than me. Why are they planted so high? Hello Dr. Sai.
Hey,
Can you please tell me more about this strawberry farm?
I'm currently monitoring the temperature and humidity of the air and soil in the greenhouse.
Dr. Sai told me that the strawberry here are grown vertically and integrated with advanced automation and intelligent technology. The environmental monitoring system monitors real-time parameters such as temperature, humidity, and light in the greenhouse, and automatically adjusts the supply of water and fertilizer according to the needs of strawberry at different growth stages, ensuring that strawberries are always in the optimal growth environment. I have a question for you. Why are the strawberries so high?
This is a planning model we have developed which allows strawberries to live on high-rise buildings. As the area of our facilities is limited, we need to increase the planting density per unit to obtain higher returns. By vertical planning in layers up and down in this way, we can achieve infinitely production capacity in a limited planning space.
Just now, the village cadre of Siming village told me that there are currently more than 100 households of farmers growing strawberries in this small village. Strawberry cultivation has promoted the transformation of rural industry toward tourism and leisure, and the villagers have become richer. The sweet business of strawberry cultivation is getting better and better.